Hello and welcome to Function Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the match function. This function is used to tell us in which position a value that we are looking for is in a range. This range must be in a single column or in a single row. So first, let's take a look at the match function arguments. So the first one is the lookup value. That is the value that we are looking for and which we want to tell the position it is in a range. The second argument is the lookup array. That is the range of cells in which the lookup value is and where we want to tell its position. And the last argument, it is an optional argument, is the match type. The match type can be exact match or approximated match. In the first example, we're going to use the exact match, meaning that we want to look for exactly for what is in the lookup value, not something approximated to it. So let's start again here. Our match function. Our lookup value in this case here is going to be Rachel. We want to tell in which position Rachel is in this list of names here. So I'm just going to select cell E2. I could also type Rachel's name here. It would be like this, Rachel. It's mandatory to be in double quotes because that tells Excel that it's a text string. If we don't use that, then we would get an error. But it's much easier to just reference to the cell, and if I need, I can just change the name inside this cell here, and the match function would still work. Okay, the next one, the lookup array, is this area here where all the names are. And the last one, we want an exact match, so it should be 0. And that's it. So we have number 6. What does that mean? It means that Rachel is in the 6th position in this area here. So starting from cell B3, Rachel is in the 6th position. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there is Rachel. We could also change this, our lookup array. Instead of giving a range, we could just select the whole column. So the whole column B, now we have number 8. What does that mean? It means that now we are starting to count from cell B1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there is Rachel again. Like I said in the beginning, this data must be in a single column like it is here, or it could also be in a single row. So I could take this data and put it here and use our match function again to look for Rachel in this area now and an exact match. And we have again number 6, so we're starting counting from cell H2, and Rachel is here in the 6th position. Now we go to the second example we have here, and now is the less than match type. It's an approximated one, and Excel calls it less than. So in this example, our data must be in an ascending order. So we have the data here in ascending order, and we want to tell in which position should number 16 be on. So we go again, match. Our lookup value is number 16 here, so cell E2. Our lookup array is this area here, and our match type argument is going to be 1. So less than, meaning Excel will here, like says in the text, finds the largest value that is less than or equal to lookup value. So close here, and we get number 4. But if we look closely at this list, we don't have number 16 here. So how is Excel able to tell its position if it's not there? Here's how it works. So it takes number 16 and it tests. Is 16 less than or equal to 1? No, it's not. Less than or equal to 5? No, it's not. Less than or equal to 10? No, it's not. Less than or equal to 15? No, it's not. Less than or equal to 20? Yes, it is. So it is less than 20, so it will return the previous one, which is 15, and 15 is in the 4th position in this list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 15. That's why we get here number 4. Now the last example we have, our arguments is going to be greater than and also minus 1. And in this case, our data must be in a descending order. So we have here the data in a descending order, and we're gonna look for 16 again in the same area here. And our last argument is going to be -1. Let's just read here. Finds the smallest value that is greater than or equal to lookup value. So that's it. Now we get number 3, meaning that it will test again. Is 16 greater than or equal to 30? No, it's not. Greater than or equal to 25? No. Greater than or equal to 20? No. Greater than or equal to 15? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is greater than 15, so it will return the previous one here, so 20, and 20 is on the third position. That's why we get here number 3. The match function is normally used with the index function or together with VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. If you want to learn how to use this combination of functions, the links are all below. Well, that was it. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel. See you next time.